Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Uce Biology Section A, 2002, Paper 1. Which of the following are characteristics of surfaces for gaseous exchange? A. Large surface area, thinness, and moistness. B. Thinness, moistness, and presence of fine blood vessels. C. Large surface area, thinness, and presence of arteries and veins. D. Thinness, moistness, and presence of arteries and veins. The answer is A. Large surface area, thinness, and moistness. Stunted plant growth, creamy yellow leaves, and poor fruit development is caused by deficiency of A. Nitrogen and potassium. B. Nitrogen and phosphorus. C. Potassium and iron. D. Nitrogen and iron. The answer is D. Nitrogen and iron. Which one of the following is true about a person of blood group O? A. Receives blood from people of all other blood groups. B. Donates blood to people of all other blood groups. C. Receives blood from only people of blood group A, B, and O. D. Donates blood to only people of blood group A, B. The answer is B. Donates blood to people of all other blood groups. Enzymes differ from catalysts because enzymes A. Are required in small amounts. B. Respond to temperature changes. C. Are protein in nature. D. Speed up reactions. The answer is C. A protein in nature. When preparing a test for starch in a leaf, the leaf is boiled in alcohol in order to A. Burst chloroplasts. B. Remove colored materials in the leaf. C. Quicken the reaction of starch with iodine. D. Soften the leaf. The answer is B. Remove colored materials in the leaf. In which of the following animals does expired air take a different route from that of inspired air? A. Birds. B. Reptiles. C. Bony fish. D. Mammals. The answer is A. Birds. Which one of the following does not aid flight in birds? A. Pectoral muscle. B. Hollow bones. C. Down feathers. D. Quill feathers. The answer is C. down feathers. Which one of the following sets of organisms belong to the same group? A. Butterfly, beetle, and starfish. B. Crab, tapeworm, and liverfrog. C. Scorpion, mite, and spider. D. Jellyfish. The answer is C. Scorpion, mite, and spider. Which one of the following explains the accumulation of lactic acid in muscles during vigorous activity? A. Carbohydrates is completely broken down. B. The oxygen supply to the muscles may not be enough. C. Much of the stored glycogen is converted into glucose. D. The blood vessels leading from the muscles are constricted. The answer is B. The oxygen supply to the muscle may not be enough. Bacteria that often live in their hosts where both partners cannot survive without the other are called A. Parasites. B. Symbiotes. C. Commensals. D. Saprophytes. The answer is B. Symbiotes. In a plant tissue, water moved from cell A to cell B. This indicates that A. Cell A and cell B had the same osmotic potential. B. Cell A had a higher osmotic potential than cell B. C. Cell A had a lower osmotic potential than cell B. D. Cell A was older than cell B. The answer is B. Cell A had a higher osmotic potential than cell B. Which of the following are the end products of lactose? A. Glucose and sucrose. B. Glucose and galactose. C. Glucose and fructose. D. Fructose and galactose. The answer is B. Glucose and galactose. Which one of the following sets contains only characteristics of continuous variation? A. Tongue rolling, blood group, skin color. B. Height, body weight, intelligence. C. Sex, hemophilia, height. D. Fingerprints, intelligence, albinism. The answer is B. Height, body weight, intelligence. The following are sizes of different soil particles in millimeters. P. From 2 millimeters to 0.02 millimeters. Q. From 0.2 millimeters to 0.002 millimeters. R. 0.02 millimeters to 0.002 millimeters. S less than 0.002 millimeters. In which of the following soil particles would you expect the rise of water by capillarity to be the highest? A, P, B, Q, C, R, D, S. The answer is D, S. Which one of the following methods can be used to estimate the population of butterflies in a flower garden? A, dialect count. B, quadrant. C, line transect. D, capture recapture. The answer is D, capture recapture. Where in the mammalian skin is the melanin pigment found? A, Malpighian layer. B, granular layer. C, conified layer. D, subcutaneous layer. The answer is A, Malpighian layer. Which one of the following organisms reproduce by budding? A, yeast. B, amoeba. C, spirogyra. D, muca. The answer is A, yeast. What would happen to a plant tissue placed in a strong sugar solution? It A, becomes longer and soft. B, maintains the original length and texture. C, becomes shorter and soft. D, becomes shorter and hard. The answer is C, becomes shorter and soft. Figure 1 shows a leaf type. Which type of leaf is shown in the figure? A, compound bipinnate. B, compound trifoliate. C, compound pinnate. D, compound palmate. The answer is D, compound palmate. Which one of the following is not a function of blood? A, regulation of sugar level in the body. B, healing of damaged parts of the body. C, regulation of body temperature. D, transportation of wastes. The answer is A, regulation of sugar level in the body. Figure 2 is a cross-section of part of a plant. From which one of the following was the section obtained? A, root of dicotyledonous plant. B, stem of monocotyledonous plant. C, root of monocotyledonous plant. D, stem of dicotyledonous plant. The answer is B, stem of monocotyledonous plant. What effect does light have on the distribution of oxygens at the tip of a plant root shoot? A. Causes equal distribution of oxygens at the shoot tip. B. Has no effect on the distribution of oxygens at the shoot tip. C. Concentration of more oxygens on the dark side of the shoot tip. D. Causes oxygens to concentrate more on the illuminated side of the shoot tip. The answer is C. Concentration more oxygen on the dark side of the shoot tip. Which one of the following is a modified root? A. Irish potato tuber. B. Cassava tuber. C. Rhizome. D. Corm. The answer is B. Cassava tuber. Which one of the following organs is responsible for the removing excess amino acid from blood? A. Gallbladder. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Spleen. The answer is C. Liver. Which one of the following is the most common air pollutant? A. Dust. B. Fungicides. C. Herbicides. D. Smoke. The answer is A. Smoke. In which part of the kidney nephron does reabsorption of glucose occur? A. Proximal convoluted tubule. B. Distal convoluted tubule. C. Descending lobe of Henle. D. Ascending lobe of Henle. The answer is A. Proximal convoluted tubule. A man of blood group A marries a woman of blood group B and produces a child of blood group AB. Which one of the following statements is true about his family? A. The mother could donate blood to the father but not the child. B. The child could donate blood to the mother and the father. C. The child could receive blood from the father and the mother. D. No blood transfusion between members of the family are possible. The answer is C. The child could receive blood from the father and the mother. In which region of the mammalian vertebral column does the vertebrae have long neurospines and short transverse processes? A. Sacrum. B. Lumbar. C. Thoracic. D. Neck. And the answer is C. Thoracic. What happens when the ciliary muscle of mammalian eye contracts? The lens becomes A. Thicker and eyes see far objects. B. Thinner and the eyes see near objects. C. Thicker and the eyes see near objects. D. Thinner and the eyes see far objects. The answer is C. Thicker and the eyes see near objects. Which one of the following occurs during exhalation in a mammal? A. The diaphragm relaxes. B. The intercostal muscles contract. C. The volume of the cavity increases. D. The rib move upwards and outwards. The answer is A. The diaphragm relaxes. Hello friends. Thank you very much for participating in UCE Biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.